Howdy fellas, Steven here with Sunrise W Land and Cattle. In the last video we talked about what Worm Tea is. Today we're going to talk about how we use it, the benefits of it, and then how you can apply it into your yard, garden, or pasture. So, let's fill up a little bit of Worm Tea. Let's get talking about it. Alrighty, so how do we use Worm Tea in our system? So throughout these videos we talked about how we use and move the animals through the system. So to kind of recap that, we move the cattle through in a tight area, they eat 60% of the forage, they trample the other 30% down, and then 10% is left in order to help keep the soil cool, maintain the moisture in the soil, and help with the soil integrity so it doesn't blow away. After the cattle get moved through, we then put the chickens on. They scratch through the manure, spread it out, they put their own manure down, and they control the insects. After the chickens go through, we aerate that field. Now, aerating has a lot of benefits. It helps with soil compaction, allows air, water, and nutrients to move through that soil and really develop the root system. And then whenever we do put out the Worm Tea, it goes straight to the roots. And so after we aerate, we put the Worm Tea down. So what are some of the benefits of Worm Tea? Well, I think first it's important to note that this is a living fertilizer. In this one jug, there are billions of microorganisms swimming around. So some of the benefits are it increases the microbial activity in the soil, it increases the biodiversity in the soil, it decreases pests, and helps suppress disease. There's actually a study from Ohio State University that showed when they put out Worm Tea on tomato plants, it suppressed the diseases in the tomato plants tremendously. Now it also increases the nutrients available to the plants. Now it's really cool, and we'll talk about this in the next video, but plants talk to each other through an underground network, and the Worm Tea really helps to bring the nutrients to that plant as it needs instead of trying to guess and put out a synthetic fertilizer. Now it also increases the water use efficiency. So when it rains and the rain falls down on the soil, it absorbs into the soil rather than run off and wash away your erosion. And then it also increases the resilience of your soil through weather events. So if you have heavy winds, heavy rains, most of the time if your soil is dry or dead, it'll wash away or erode away. Well, this will hold that integrity and keep it together so it's more resilient. And then in this one jug, there are multiple different types of microbacteria, but the important ones to mention are the fungal hyphae, the protozoa, the nematodes, and then the other bacteria, which again we'll get into in a later video. So let's go ahead and show you how you can apply it into your field. So what are the best ways to apply Worm Tea? Well, there's many different ways that you can do it, but we'll show you a couple here today. So the first way is you get a wand. Now this is just a Craftsman wand you can get at Home Depot, Amazon, and it screws right on top of the bottle. And then what you can do, this bottle has a handle so you can grab it and you can just walk around and you can spray it out and put it at the base of the vegetation so that way it goes into the soil. A different way is you can get a spray rig right here and you can fill in 1 gallon of Worm Tea, and then we recommend putting a gallon of water on top of it as well to dilute a little bit. Now this 1 gallon jug will cover 5,000 square feet of space. Now, in agriculture applications, what we do is we put the Worm Tea into a large water trailer that we pull with the tractor. And we recommend doing 2 gallons of water with 1 gallon of Worm Tea whenever you're doing agricultural rates. So that way you get a little bit more water down to help out with these dry times. And so it's something that's really important to note as well is Worm Tea does not have a long shelf life. This is a living fertilizer. So we worked really hard with the biologists to get the shelf life up as long as we possibly can. And one of those things that we did is we used a glass jug. We found that plastic actually kills bacteria. So whenever you're finding Worm Tea online or in stores and it's in plastic, everything's dead. So we put it in a glass jug. We've got it to last up to 2 weeks long, but we do recommend as soon as you get it to put it out right away. And then also important to note that you don't want to put it out in the middle of the day. UV light will actually kill the microbacteria inside of the Worm Tea. So you want to put it out late in the evening, let it seep through all night, and then as it seeps through, it will be protected from the UVs the next morning. So now that you know all the benefits of Worm Tea and how to apply it, it's time for you to get some to put out for your yard or your garden. So you can check us out at sunrisew.com, and we actually sell these gallon jugs, and we can ship it anywhere in the country. Now in the next video, we're going to talk about everything soil health. We're going to talk about all the science behind it and why it is so incredibly important. So make sure to like this video, leave a comment, let us know how we're doing, and check us out next week. We'll see y'all next time.